This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Great floor plan in this spacious one-level home. Nice kitchen with a second eating area, large dining room with a slider to a nice deck and partially, one side open, fenced private backyard. Huge living room with a wood-burning fireplace, great for those chilly nights ahead. Master suite with a full bath. Double car garage with extra storage. RV parking too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.